My video tutorial is about getting rid of the new ransomware called Synapse. Synapse is a new ransomware attacking many Windows computers today. Synapse ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware's attack, people are able to open their files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Synapse ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and so very soon, because of that, users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and then damages the files considerably. The ransomware then appends this Synapse extension to the file names. As a consequence, it is impossible to use the files. Then the ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. It reveals this ransom note. But I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. Don't waste your funds. As you can see, the ransomware also changes the desktop background. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the website combocleaner.com, but to get there, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers could be also damaged by this ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software through this official website, install the application, and then start carefully researching your system. The software is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on the start scan button. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, so don't skip that very important step. This is crucial for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or other threats. So after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This way you will be able to evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner by requesting trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and delete this horrible ransomware fully from your computer. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.